No, you two have enough matching shirts, let's be honest.
Yeah,
So Darren, you were contemplating riding Borat style, eh?
Yeah. I just didn't know how we were going to explain it to our sponsors, especially that plant one. They're full of shit.
Oh, is that bike fast? Is that bike fast?
Still going to do more. I'm just going to pull one towards there. Yeah.
I hope you're the oak who's going to loosen all this stuff. Right?
Well, look, I was thinking,
because like, you've got to get there and then take them off, because everybody likes to sleep with their bike before the main event. 3, 4. We can't leave it outside.
I was thinking
8.
Huh?
8 bikes.
Where's Lonnie's bike?
It should have been 10.
Still got to come in here, eh?
Yeah.
Not on this trailer, apparently.
So we still short a bike.
Apparently, some people don't trust my building skills, so they all opted for Lucas's trailer.
How did you build the trailer?
Pulled in at Can, Sani2c 2022. Box collected. Taking it back to the car now. We're gonna sort out driver's briefing, unpack, rider's briefing, sorry. Thanks for the correction, Darren. Sort out rider's briefing, get the bikes ready, hitting the trails tomorrow. Sani2c 2022 day 1. So this was our accommodation for the night. Not too shabby. Morning, Darren.
Taking the moolah.
Darren, just remind us what's the time.
So Brian's been awake since I think about 3 this morning. I think it's now currently it's 5 o'clock. We only had to be up at 6.
The stuff we get excited about. It's crazy. But anyway, we're going to be hitting some trails, riding some proper dirt on those machines over there, all prepped, ready, nice and clean, clean enough to be inside a room. Not going to be the same this afternoon. But heck, we're going to have fun. Here we go. Here's one. Alex.
Hey!
Hey!
Go time!
Go time! There's Alex. There's a Yeti coming. It's a Yeti!
Hey, Ronnie's still busy here.
Hey? Are you making sure everything's out?
100 fucking crew, eh? Working like a dog. Look, I'm gonna take the bits and pieces.
And there's a Yeti rider.
Yeah. What?
The Yeti rider.
It's not.
You guys have got to wind it, otherwise I'm not going up. Wing it, wing it, wing it! morning, Chana.
No, go away, Brian.
You're not ready for day 2.
No, I want to sleep.
I thought we were racing up Iconic.
No, we're not.
Not yet.
No. Right now,
You're going to think about it.
right now, that's not even in my head.
We'll see how it goes. Day 2. Iconic. Loading now. Batch R.
Alrighty, our batch.
Hopefully we'll finish in daylight. We'll see.
I look forward to seeing you all a little bit later on. Well, the next 4.5 hours.
Darren is burning his clutch. My clutch is screwed. It's finished. I've got no more clutch to burn. There's some more survivors on top of the hill. They do seem to look better than what we do. They're smiling.
I don't even see that on the map. I don't even see that on the map. Hey, two. This is supposed to be the last few hundred meters. Brian's spinning his leg off there. Boots are up. Day was long. It was good and finished.
Camp, Sani2c, day 3. Last and final day. We'll see how it goes. This is our accommodation for the night. Macadamia trees. Going down Macadamia Lane. How's it? Some of our buddies also doing it. You guys ready for it, Clifton?
Yes, looking forward to it. Thank you very
Looking forward. Gonna have a jaw.
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
So he wanted to cuddle up with you. Had a tent right next to you. Both of you didn't think to swap it over, eh?
Hey? No, why do that? Why take the fun out of it? You all ready for it, Brad?
Almost.
Almost. Okay, cool. Enjoy, have fun.
Give me 40 minutes and I might be.
Take
you on the road.
Alright, cool. Right. Going to pick up our bikes, hand in the boxes, and then on our way to the sea. We haven't chatted to is our unofficial team manager, Mr. Desmond here. They made it. He's been looking after us, making sure we make it all the way. So Desmond, how would you rate the performances so far? You happy?
I'm 50%. Today will tell. Today's the deciding factor today. But Brian, he said he's a walk in the park, so I trust his judgment.
Okay, cool. So you happy with everybody's performance so
Except
far?
for Darren, because he's a girl.
Other two colleagues, they're gonna win it for us. Hey, Jay, be in it to win it. In it to win it.
First you lad.
You must earn that trail proper.
You're going to be
Flying the flag hard.
You guys ready?
socks, man. There's our very nice. There's our spring wheelers.
Lots to look
Check
forward
those
to.
pretty bikes.
The big day is behind you. Today is about celebrating the ride all the way down to
Hey,
Scotland.
there's another one there. I'm gonna go say how's the day.
So at least
pretty good to Brian. Climbing mountains like pretty good too. Nothing's going to stop me. Good climbing.
Check out all the survivors on the summit.
Yeah.
Shit! I nearly went down that cliff. I think we're in our last forest section of Sani2c. We've got the highway on the right of us, the ocean on the right of us, and we're heading into Scottsboro. So we've arrived at Scottsboro Golf Course, the end of Sani 2022. So it was proper. So Sani2c finished. Dan,
Fantastic.
how's it? Okay, Alistair, how is it? Mr. Brucey, how is Sani2c? Good. Do it again. What a jaw. We'll soon to throw this up on YouTube for everybody to enjoy.
prostate.
You also use